What is up, boys? I'm back with another trading session. Today I will take some trades with candlestick psychology, and let's get started. I will add 4 pairs up there, and I will take 1 trade on each of them. Okay, so basically I will take 4 trades. Okay, first AUD JPY. Okay, so we have a level here which is not pretty strong because you don't see any confirmation from this level. Okay, I will wait here for the next candle. Okay, in Euro USD we are starting a momentum to the upside, and we had a trend line just like this. Okay, I will go with, damn, let's come down. I missed this entry. Okay. Okay, I will go with buyers right on this level of confluence, because it's pretty strong point at the market, and it can basically reject to the upside. Let's see. Okay, that was beautiful. That was a win, and let's see. Okay, oh, I missed this entry. Damn it. It goes up enough, I can go with... No, man. I was looking for this trade. Okay. The next level... The next level is here, which is previously respected as well, and also this area. Okay, and also we have a level right here. Okay, okay, if this candle closes above this line, I can go with buyers, otherwise no. Or it should close down here. Okay, I see buyers rejection. I go with buyers here with a little bit of late entry. Let's see. I'm just missing all the opportunities. I could have entered here as well. Okay. Okay, that was a loss, no problem. Okay, on this one I go with sellers for 2 trades. Okay, that was also wins, my wins. Okay, so let's move on to AUDJPY. We have previously in strong level here, we had a couple of rejections, and for now, if I go with buyers, it's pretty, I mean, I can go with buyers, but it's pretty risky though, because this is pretty strong momentum to the downside, and I can go with buyers on this level, and this is gonna be my last trade on this pair, so I only should trade on this pair, because I told you I will take one trade in each of them. So yeah, I will just wait. I will take a trade on for 2 minutes here. Okay, it pushes a little more up, please. No. Okay, I go for 2 minutes lower option here. Let's see. Okay, that was a win, and yeah, I took one trade on each of these candles. We had a loss, which I doubled on my next trade, and we made it up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, drop a like from me, the subscribe button, and yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out.